Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to show you a beautiful 1966 Ford Fairlane GTA. This is one gorgeous car. Has a 460 racing crate engine under the hood with Cobra Jet aluminum heads. It has a TCI C6 Automatic Transmission. It's got four-wheel Willwood disc brakes, Riddler wheels, 17s in the front, 18s on the rear. Beautiful restoration on this car. Very highly detailed engine compartment. Ford Racing aluminum intake, Ford Racing valve covers, braided hoses, serpentine belts, aluminum radiator, aluminum catch can. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Rod and Custom front suspension. Beautiful black interior, new seat covers, carpeting. The console's beautiful. Dakota digital dash. Door panels are beautiful as well. Just an all-around, just a gorgeous car. Package tray, sail panels, headliner, visors, everything's nice, tight, just like it's supposed to be inside. Rack and pinion steering. The keys out here, we'll start her up. This thing runs just like a beast. They say it runs like a thief in the night. Windshield wipers work. Defrost works. Left turn, right turn. Restoration. All the glass is lightly tinted and in beautiful shape. The door jambs are very nice. All the seat belts are in there. Door gaps are nice. Dual electric fans. Awesome looking hood. I got the pins for it in my pocket here. Put them in before we... The paint job on this car is just beautiful. That's a high metallic in it. Open the trunk here for you real quick. I started it up before I got the trunk open. Inside the trunk's very, very nicely detailed as well. New trunk seals. The chrome bumpers front and rear, very nice. All the stainless trim looks very nice as well. I don't see any, it's got one small ding right here. I don't even know how that would have happened, but one small little pea-sized ding right there. I mean, you'd have to know where it's at to even probably see it, but What a gorgeous car. I don't see any bubbles or blistering down the bottom sides of the fenders, the doors, in front or behind the rear wheels. Just a spectacular car. My son was here. He wanted to go do the video with me on this, but he ran off with Papa Bear somewhere. He said, "Don't do that video without me." Ford Fairlane GTA. She's beautiful. Tinted windows, different wheels. Built 460 racing engine. The guy told me, I think he told me it had 600 horsepower. I don't know. This is the first time I've driven it, so I wouldn't know what to say about that, but I'll get on it here a little bit. Back it out here and get on it a little bit and see what kind of power it actually has. I would say that might be about right. It's kind of a bad boy. This thing really hauls ass. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. KINION Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty